Ready to learn your F and PH words? Let's go twinkle duck. What is missing in the word fish? F or PH? F is in fish. What is missing in the word farm? F or PH? F is in farm. What is missing in the word phone? F or PH? PH is in phone. What is missing in the word photo? F or PH? PH is in photo. What is missing in the word fork? F or PH? F is in fork. What is missing in the word feet? F or PH? F is in feet. What is missing in the word fly? F or PH? F is in fly. What is missing in the word flag? F or PH? F is in flag. What is missing in the word fire? F or PH? F is in fire. What is missing in the word finger? F or PH? F is in finger. What is missing in the word fox? F or PH? F is in fox. What is missing in the word feather? F or PH? F is in feather. What is missing in the word fence? F or PH? F is in fence. What is missing in the word trophy? F or PH? PH is in trophy. What is missing in the word dolphin? F or PH? PH is in dolphin. What is missing in the word physician? F or PH? PH is in physician. What is missing in the word Pharaoh? F or PH? PH is in Pharaoh. What is missing in the word alphabet? F or PH? PH is in alphabet. What is missing in the word elephant? F or PH? PH is in elephant. What is missing in the word pharmacy? F or PH? PH is in pharmacy. Congrats, you finished! How many words did you get right? Don't forget to hit the like or subscribe button for more Twinkle Duck videos.